Hi students, welcome to S&M Coaching Center. As you know, we have started the board examination revision series for maths. As part of it, we have started with real numbers. Let us continue with today's problems. Let us do the first sum. What is that they are asking? They are saying that whether this number which is given in this form, whether a number written in this form, whether it's a prime number or a composite number. In order to check that, we are required to follow a specific procedure. Let us see what is that first sum solution. What is that? Write down whatever is the expression. 3, 5, 13, 46 and then there is 123. Now the first thing to check in this kind of sum is how many terms are there in this. There are two terms. All these will make one term and this becomes the second term because in these we have only multiplications involved. So whenever there is a multiplication and a division involved, the number becomes a single term. So this all these numbers make it a single term. This is the next term. So we have two terms in these numbers. Now let us see, in the second number we have a 23. Do we have a 23 here? Directly we do not have, but if you check, 46 can be written as 23 multiplied with the 2. So I have a number. So what are we looking for? We are looking for a common number in both the terms. Directly they did not give, sometimes they directly give. If they do not give, we have to find out. So 46 can be written as the 2 multiplied by 23. Now there is a 23. Now what is the next step? Take the, which is the common number? 23. 23 is present in both the numbers. Take the number, common number out. Start a bracket and then write the rest of the numbers. If I remove 23 from the first term, what and all are numbers left over? Write those. And then from the second term, I took complete 23 out. So what is left over? Do not say 0 because if I multiply 23 with 0, the whole value will become 0. So if you are taking the complete number common out, what is that? That would be left over? It would be 1. So you have to write in its place as 1. 23, now multiply this. 5 2s 10, 13 3s 39. 39 into 10 plus 1. So this would be 23 multiplied by 390 plus 1. So this is a 23 into 391. You do not have to do the multiplication of this number. Leave it like this. Let me explain what is that now we are looking at. See, whatever the given number is written in this form. Now we have come to the conclusion where the given number can be written as a product of 23 and 391. So naturally 1 also will be a factor. For any number 1 is a factor. So how many factors do the given number now has? It has 1, 2 and 3. So any number which has more than 1 and itself as a factor, what is it called? It is called a composite number. Right now only we have 3 factors. When we multiply this, we get the original number. So altogether there would be 4 factors. So since already the given number has 3 factors, the given number which is written in this form, what number is it? It is a composite number. So how do we write? We write it as since the given number has more than 1 and itself, as factors, the given number is a composite number. Is a composite number. This is how you have to argue these theoretical questions. It's a composite number since already we have 3 factors. Yes. Copy, children. The next one is a word problem. Let us see what the question is. LCM of two numbers is 14 times their HCF. Okay. And then the sum of the LCM and HCF is 600. Okay, let us slowly write down what and all conditions they have given. LCM is means, see, in these word problems, is, will be, are, they all means equals to sign. LCM is means equals to 14 times means multiplication, 14 times the HCF. So how can you convert the given condition into equation? LCM is equals to 14 multiplied by HCF. Then the sum of LCM HCF is 600. So LCM plus HCF is how much? It is 600. And then one of the numbers is 280. We know in HCF and LCM there will be two numbers, A and B. So let me call A as 280. He is asking find the other number, which is B is what we have to find. Okay, let us start with this. What is given? LCM plus HCF is 600. But what is the value of LCM? LCM is 14 times the HCF. So instead of writing it as LCM, I will write LCM in terms of HCF. So I will write it as 14 times HCF plus HCF, which is equals to 600. Now this is 14 HCF, this is nothing is there, which means it is 1 HCF, 14 plus 1, it becomes 15 HCF. 15 HCF is 600. So HCF is equals to, what happens when 15 moves to the other side? 15 is multiplying, on transposition it will divide. 15 ones, 15 fours, 60, put that 0 as it is. So the HCF of the given number is 40. HCF is 40. Now let us find the LCM. LCM is how much? LCM is 14 times the HCF. So this is 14 times 40. 14 fours, 56. So LCM is 560. What is that they are asking? We have to find the B. So what do? We use the relation. Yes. So write the relation first. We know that HCF, the product of HCF and LCM of two numbers is equals to the product of the numbers itself. If you write this, you will get 1 mark. So always write the formula, the relations, whatever it is there, please do write. HCF is 40, multiply it with 560. This should be equals to, what is A value? 280 into, we are finding the other number. Now bring the 280 to the LHS. What will happen? Here it is multiplying, on transposition, it will divide. 40 into 560, divide it with 280. This will give you the value of B. 0, 0 cancel, 28 ones, 28 twos is 56. So what is the value of B? B is 40 times 2, which is 80. So the value of B is 80. Copy it, children.